Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Xiaomi has introduced its latest Megia 3 HP dual outlet vertical air conditioner, boasting impressive features, energy efficiency and smart connectivity. The Xiaomi Megia dual air conditioner 3 HP is currently available for pre-sale online at the price of 820 United States dollars. In terms of connectivity, it is equipped with Xiaomi Hyper OS Connect, which facilitates whole house smart interconnection. Users can control the air conditioner remotely via the Megia app, adjusting settings such as temperature and operation modes from anywhere. Additionally, the system supports voice control through Xiaomi, allowing for hands-free operation and more user-friendly experience. Now talk about its specifications. The air conditioner is equipped with high-density antibacterial and antifungal filters that ensure the air remains hygienic. These filters are effective at preventing bacterial growth within the unit, thus avoiding the risk of secondary air pollution. They also offer an antibacterial rate of up to 99% and reach a top antifungal grade, thereby safeguarding health of users. The Megia air conditioner boasts an impressive design for quick and effective temperature management. It operates efficiently with a cooling capacity of 1930 watt and heating capacity of 2680 watt. The unit is optimized for comfort with two distinct airflow forms, sky curtain and carpet breeze. The Megia air conditioner features a visual striking design, characterized by its star-forged silver glass panel. This sleek modern facade adds a touch of sophistication to any space while ensuring durability and ease of cleaning. The air conditioner is equipped with dual air outlets, which provide a 160-degree ultra-wide angle of air delivery, which evenly distributes air throughout large and small spaces alike. The Xiaomi Megia 3 HP air conditioner is rated with a first-level energy efficiency, affirming its eco-friendly design. The indoor unit measures 340 mm in width, 1830 mm in height, and 408 mm in depth, making it compact yet powerful. The noise level remains low, ranging from 40 to 46 dBA, ensuring that the unit operates quietly enough to not disrupt the peaceful ambience of your home. The cleaning technology incorporated into air conditioner includes an advanced self-cleaning system for both indoor and outdoor units. This system utilizes high temperature drying to sterilize the components, effectively removing dust, debris and condensation. Such features not only extend the life of the air conditioner, but also enhance its performance and the cleanliness of the air it circulates. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.